You've decided that you want to melt aluminum, but you don't know how to get started. Well, that's the foundry I made, and it only cost me $4. With it, I made a few keychains. First, you'll need a large metal container. I used a popcorn tin. Cut an opening towards the bottom. That will serve as the air intake. On the lid, cut 3 openings as shown. The outer openings are for brackets, while the central opening is the air outlet and for adding aluminum. If you don't have a lid, you can use an old cookie sheet. On the underside, I folded the metal to ensure a smooth edge. For the brackets, I used parts from a broken ping pong table. I also added bolts to the sides. I didn't use them, but I thought it might be an easy way to carry it. That's where my $4 was spent. Before you mix the cement, be sure to make some sort of barrier to hold the cement in place. I found that an old cardboard box worked well. Don't forget to cut the cement out of the air intake while it is still wet. I have a similar setup for the lid. Make sure that an aluminum can fit through the opening. If I were you, I would incorporate a metal mesh within the cement to prevent the cement from cracking as it is heated and cooled. If you don't want to spend money on propane or charcoal, wood works just as well. If your foundry is producing a lot of smoke, it means you're not adding enough air. I would suggest using a leaf blower on a low setting or even a shop vacuum in reverse. When using the foundry, heat it up and cool it down slowly to prevent the cement from exploding. If you don't want to purchase a crucible, simply find a steel container. I prefer using fire extinguishers. I would suggest wearing leathers, closed-toed shoes, goggles, a face mask, and thick leather gloves. Oh, and don't forget to keep a couple buckets of water nearby.